Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create. You see, the effect of coming BMW is kind of nice. How we can create something like that? I always state the simple is the best way to create something. So let's start. At first, we need to insert a new slide. I copy the text because this is just a text, but it has many points. The first thing is that it's using the Kirsten ITC font, you see, and if you zoom in, you see nothing is special about, but what? Let me show you. In the shape effect, you can use this effect to has a little shadow. Okay, this is for this, and this use overdrive sunset font, but with a little difference. The difference here is that when you format the shape, here in the text option, you see here in the text outline, I gave it a solid outline of color. What color I want, and with the transparency I want, and also with the width I want. Something like this. Okay, now we need to insert 1, 2, 3, 4, and select all 4 of them and set the shape outline to white, or you can set it a slight background. Now you format the background to the color you want, for example gradient fill. But it's important to your gradient fill is not look very suspicious. Okay, it's good. Something like this. Then copy this slide, apply it to all, bring it out, and bring it out, but in the different distance for the better looking. Bring it out by holding shift and set the transition of these two slides to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. You see, it's pretty nice, the effect and everything. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments, and if you need anything else, ask me.